Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Now we are going to take 2 power x common. So 2 power x here, open bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 close bracket equal to 20. Now 2 power x times this is 3 equal to 20. Now we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. So this 3 cancels this. So we have 2 power x equal to 20 by 3. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. So log 2 power x equal to log 20 by 3. Now we are going to apply this log power formula, that is log a power m equal to m log a. This log formula we are going to apply here. Also log a by b equal to log a minus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. So x log 2 equal to log 20 minus log 3. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. So log 2 here log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 20 minus log 3 whole divided by log 2. Now x equal to log 20 minus log 3 whole divided by log 2. This can be written as, which is a minus b whole divided by c can be written as a by c minus b by c. So we are going to apply this here. X equal to log 20 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this 20 can be written as 4 times of 5. So x equal to log 4 times 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to apply log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This log product formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x equal to log 4 plus log 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this can be written as x equal to log 4 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this 4 can be written as x equal to log 2 power 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to apply log power formula here. So this 2 comes here. So x equal to 2 log 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2. So we have x equal to 2 plus log 5 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to apply this formula log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So x equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. This is the x value we found for this given problem. Now we are going to verify this. So the equation of 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 20. Now we are going to take this alone now. So 2 power x equal to 2 power, applying x in the power, 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. So this can be written as, according to this formula, a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. So this we are going to apply here. 2 power 2 times 2 power log 5 base 2 times 2 power minus log 3 base 2. This we are going to apply here. Now we are going to apply other formula here. A power log b base a equal to b. This formula also we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2 power 2 is 4. According to this formula, here it is 5 in denominator. According to this formula, this is 3. So 4 times 5 is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 plus 20 by 3 plus 20 by 3 equal to 20. This is the given equation. Now here 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60 by 3 equal to 20. So simplify this, we'll get 20 here. So 20 is equal to 20. So LHS equal to RHS This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.